All right, on this slide, you are going to answer some questions. So we have some like terms right here. And we want to know, why are they like terms? So we're going to type our answer here. So what I want you to do is I want you to highlight this. You're going to click in the square, highlight this, and hit delete. And you're going to tell me, why are they like terms? Well, I have a -7a, 8.9a, and a half a. The only thing that's similar is they have the same variable. Whoops. Variable. That's what I'm going to write. They all have the same variable. Their coefficients, or the number in front of the variable, is not the same, but they all have the same variable. That was what makes them the same. Again, I'm going to click over here in this section, and I'm going to highlight this, or I'm just going to delete that. I'm going to find out why all of these are the same. Now, they have the same variable as well, but they also have this little tiny 2 at the top. So they are all raised to the same power. So same variable, they're also raised to the same power. This one, I'm going to click over here, type my answer here. I'm going to delete that first. Again, kind of like over here. These all had A's, even though they had different coefficients. These have different coefficients. They all have Y's. So they have the same variable. That's what you're going to type in here. Now, why are these not like terms? Well, let's look at them. Their coefficients are different, kind of like up here. But look at the variable, the letter at the end. They're not the same. So they're not like terms because the variable are not the same. Okay? Here we have the same variable. However, look, the little number is different. I have a little 2, little 3, little 4. So the power, they are not raised to the same power. They're different. So they're not like terms because they're being raised to separate powers, different numbers here. So they are not like terms. Here we have one that's raised to a power. This is even though they're the same variable, but I have a different variable here. So different powers, different variables. That's what I would write on here. So now our slide is done. So you want to make sure it looks like this, that you have filled in these areas right here with your words. So you've answered these questions here of like terms and unlike terms before you continue. It's very important that you fill this out before you continue.